and we've already got some steam. But this actually fits. Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I've got not one, but two hacks for the Stanley Wildfare Go 2-cup cook set. Stay tuned. One of the issues that we run into with the Stanley Wildfare Go 2-cup cook set is it's larger in diameter. That's good in that it gives us a larger capacity for cooking and boiling, but it also makes a little bit of a problem when it comes to finding a cup that will fit and slide on here and nest properly. Thanks to one of my viewers who gave me a heads up on this mug made by Coughlin's, it's a 21-ounce mug, is absolutely perfect. As you can see, it slides and nests all the way down, even past that lip. Most of the cups will only come up to where that bend is, but this actually fits all the way down, and it's a really nice, even a friction fit. You can feel the suction in there when you go to pull it out. So I'll make sure and put a link down in the description box for this, but I think this is something you'll definitely want to have because it is the one that nests properly for your Stanley Wildfare Go 2-cup cook set. For this next hack, you're going to want to get one of these Norpro tease infusers. And the size is very important, and again, I will make sure and put a link down below in the description box where you can order one of these. But basically what you do is you take this off, and we're going to pour some water down inside. We only need, maybe a couple of inches. Again, we don't want a huge amount of water in there, but about that much. You can see it comes up to about halfway between the bottom and this indent. This tea infuser is made in such a way that the diameter is perfect to fit inside and rest on that lip. So we put it inside, and it only goes down to the lip right there, as you can see that. And now we have a steamer. So all we have to do is put some potatoes in there, whatever we want to steam. You can even add some carrots. And you can fill this up all the way around, however you wish, depending on what you're doing, but make a pretty good meal. And then we put the lid on, and now using our handle put up in such a way, using that notch that we cut from one of our last hacks, we can easily hang it over the fire on the tripod. Now all we have to do is just wait a little while and we will have fresh steamed vegetables in camp. And perhaps you can see we've already got some steam coming out. Doing pretty good down inside. Vegetables are cooking up real nice. In case you're wondering, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to steam vegetables, root vegetables like carrots and potatoes. A lot less time for things like peas and green beans, for instance. So your timing will vary. You're just going to have to experiment a little bit with it. The most important thing is to cut your vegetables up into similar or uniform shapes. So the more size they are together, the quicker they will all cook together and be done at basically the same rate. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below just under the More button. While you're down there, you'll also find our waypointsurvival.com link. And this is where you can sign up to take survival and bushcraft classes at our beautiful training facility in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.